Hi guys, my name is Robert Ridley and this is my presentation for Module 17 in AEP 858. So the protocol that I'd like to talk about here is called SWOT. It's actually the Student Work Analysis Tool. This is actually something that we here at the school that I currently am working at have implemented this school year, and it is something that I truly think that has helped us tremendously, and we've learned some things along the ways. And so, something I wanted to share with you guys because I feel that it's something that I might tweak once I become a principal. I could tweak it a little bit to make it fit for wherever I go to use as a data guide. So basically, with the student work analysis tool, we're basically looking, trying to use the data in conjunction with student work. And as you can see here, there are 4 steps. I'll run through the steps rather quickly here. Step 1, we're basically looking to analyze the purpose and demands of an assessment or an assignment. Step 2, we are looking at the rate alignment of the assessment to grade level standards. Also, when we're looking at the ELA guide and looking at ELA, so basically we're looking at text complexity and making sure that that it all falls where it should be. Step 3, we're looking at diagnosing the student's work, and there's some guides there underneath. And also step 4, we're looking at provide suggestions for improving the assessment. Now, after going through this module and doing some more research and looking at some different examples, one thing that I would like to add to this document would be how I would tweak it would be adding in a section where teachers could put in their thoughts or what they're feeling or thinking as they're going through the data. And we're really trying to build capacity among our teachers and department chairs so everyone plays a part in the analysis of the student and their work and the data that's collected. We also, we meet once a quarter to analyze student work, and they meet by departments, basically with the goal that eventually making SWOT a part of the regular planning meetings. So that's hopefully the goal once we get more familiar and kind of tweak some things here and there. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And we're really trying to push our teachers to focus on the facts. And so they have coherence. And so that is, this is the tool that we utilize here in our building, and again, we just started it this year. We're finding that we have definitely made some adjustments with several of our assignments and assessments, in particular subjects and departments. I think it has really opened the eyes to some of our teachers and even our students, and just opened that dialogue up about making sure that we are having high expectations and that the work and the assessments that we're doing are aligned with the standards and making sure that there's rigor there. So this is I wanted to share this tool, and it's something that I think that I may utilize once I become a principal, unless of course we come across something that I feel would be better. But at this time, I feel like this is a good guide to help our teachers break down their data and really look at their assessments and their assignments and make sure that they align with the standards and that there's rigor there. I hope that you enjoyed my presentation, and I had a great time working with all of you throughout this semester. Thank you.